Steve here at Speed Kings. We're gonna go over some of these sweet-ass Flo Motorsports products, from foot pegs to shifter pegs to whole entire brake arms. They really got a cool line of products for your bike. We've been offering these products for a long time and have really good reviews on people using these. They offer a wide range of colors in all their products. Gold, silver, black, red, you name it. They got a nice angle on their pegs right here, so it gives you increased lean angle from stock pegs. Really, really grippy top section for all you guys doing the stunting and canyon carving. You just want to make sure you're nice and planted. You can also remove some of these tips if you wanted to make it less grippy. Really cool feature though, really nice product, really well made. Fully aluminum brake pedal, ready to rock and roll for your 06 Plus Dyna. And here's your shifter arm here, fully CNC'd aluminum shifter arm. Has multiple positions here where you can move the peg around. The pegs match from your shifter peg, your brake pedal, your foot pegs. It's kind of a really cool system. I'm pretty stoked on these products. They're really well made, they're really nice. The attention to detail is there. I think you'll be stoked on these products too. You can find them at speed-kingcycle.com.